Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marissa, and in today's video we're going to be testing out the new ELF CAMO CC CREAM. There you go. I believe this came out like early December, but I finally got my hands on it, and people have been hyping this up, so I'm like curious to try this on to see what the hype's about. So I have been using their product for a very long time, especially their camo concealer. I don't like the hydrating one, but the original one, they're super good. Like, they have really good coverage, super matte as well. I like that one. That one's my favorite. When I hear that they came out with this one, I was super excited to try it. All right, let's see what it claims to be. So this is what it is. It's a medium to full coverage color correcting foundation with SPF 30, which is fun. That's good. I like an SPF 30. This would be great for the summertime especially. And it also, I think it also contains collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. So all the good stuff are in here. I'm excited. Let's give it a try. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, I forgot. They also came out with this duo brush. This brush was advertised with it. This is the ELF Complexion Duo. Okay, so I guess we can use this for the foundation or the CC cream. And then this could be for the concealer, so you can like easily, this is kind of nice. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so very convenient. You can do everything with one brush, which is cool. Let's give it a try. All right, before we start, I got the shade medium 330 right there. I don't know if you can see it. So this is more of an olive undertone. I don't know if it's gonna match me. Hopefully it's gonna work. We're gonna make it work because legit this is the only shade that I got. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using a primer on this side and no primer on this side, and I will be using the duo brush on this side and a beauty sponge on the other side. This is also from ELF Cosmetics. All right, so let's give it a try. And the primer that I'm going to be using is also by ELF, the Poreless primer. Give it a try. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Oh. And what I like about this is that it's a squeezy tube, but it has a pump on it, so it won't be messy, right? I'm just gonna, okay, all right. I mean, it says to use like 1 or 2 pump for your whole face. Okay, 1 or 2 pump for the whole face. It says that this brush is supposed to give you like a flawless airbrushed finish. So what do you think? It's a little bit darker apparently, but oh, okay, yeah, this is very hydrating. Okay, let's bring it down to the neck a little bit. Don't worry guys, we'll make it work for this one. But wow, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the mirror right here. Do you guys see the difference? Okay. Okay, so there you go. This is without the CC cream. Not bad. Let's give it a try on the other side. So this is the, that's too much. Crap. No. And that's 1 pump. You know what? It's fine. I'll just put them down on my neck. Okay. We're gonna make it work. Let's give it a try. What do you guys think? I don't know. I personally like... Okay, so this is the side with the sponge, and this is the brush side. They both look good, I feel like. I don't know. I kind of like this side better for some reason. What do you guys think? This could be my new favorite. Okay. The coverage is good, guys, and it's a little bit hydrating. And so I can see it's like a little bit more like a dewy finish, but this looks good. All right, I'm gonna try and finish the rest of my makeup and I will come back. All right, so this is the finished look. There you go. Honestly, I really like it. It has like a little bit like a dewy finish to it, and I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but this retails for $14. I know it's a little bit pricier than what they usually offer, but I think it's worth it. I really do. Also, the brush itself is really good. It works really well. I tried using the other end for the concealer and it blends really nicely. Let me know if you guys try this CC cream. I think you should definitely put your hands on it. At least try, guys. Come on, just give it a try. You're gonna love it. I'm not gonna do an 8-hour worth test because it's already late. I'm not gonna stay up till like 3 in the morning. But yeah, I'm sorry, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will link everything that I was using in the description box down below as usual. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.